So over here you can see that I have a text right here, and if you want to go around and change out the text style, then over here you can see that font style is an option right here. You can go around and choose from different font styles, as you can see right here. By clicking on these, you can add in backgrounds and add in different effects, as you can see, just like this. But let me just go around and click on none. Over here on the bottom side, you can see that you can go around and scale this out right here, just like this, and then work around with, let's say, for example, alignment of the text right here on the top, bottom, right here, just like this, and then work around with the position over here as well, just like this. So you can rotate it and so forth right here. So let me just go around over here and then keep it as it is. So this is what I have, as you can see, and let me just go around and rotate it right here. So this is what I have. If I were to go around and scroll down, you can also go around and work around with the blend right here and control the opacity. You can add in a stroke over here as well, and you can go around and select out, let's say, for example, a stroke color over here, just like this as well. Once I do that, I can go around and change around the thickness of the stroke, just like this as well. And then you can work around with the background over here, like this one and this one, as you can see right here, and choose the color for the background as you like as well, just like this. So you can see that it looks really good. You can work around with the opacity of the background as well, and then you have the rounded rectangle, as you can see over here on the corners as well, just like this. Apart from that, you can work around with the height, just like this, and work around with the width right here, just like this, of the text as well. Then you can work around with the offset right here, just like this, and then you can work around with the offset Y as well, just like this as well. You can add in a glow effect to it as well, and then choose the color of the glow, just like this as well, and then work around with the intensity of the glow and the range of glow as well. So that is what you have. Then you can work around with the offset right here, just like this. So you can go work around right here, work around with the offset right here, and then change it up. Then you can also work around with shadows, as you can see right here, and change the opacity of the shadows and then the thickness of the shadows, and even choose the color of the shadows as well. Let me just turn off the glow, and you can see the shadows right there much more clearly over there. So you can get the effect as you want and get change around the distance, change around the angle of the shadows, just like this as well, and work around with the blurriness, as you can see, and work around with the opacity, just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with text style properties inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.